on disposable chromatography for large scale biomanufacturing. And this chapter actually has a pretty interesting concept of adsorber capsule for chromatography. So it looks like this, and I'm gonna show you like videos. I mean, in like Sartobine Jumbo, this disposable membrane adsorber capsule. I'm gonna show you like a full from the website. There, uh, some sort of brochure that has all the information. So this is a membrane adsorber. So one thing that they say that they put a core inside this capsule. So this way, in order to reduce the void, and you can see here, there's some sort of CFD analysis. This is how it looks like. There's a central core, I guess, and this is the membrane. But if you look here, it'll give you a more clear picture of how it looks like this. So membrane rolled up to form a cylinder in the capsule, and then there is a central core. Uh, then they also put a central spacer. That's a downstream channel. That's a upstream channel, and